In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So in this type of sums, whatever is given, mark that on the figure. By this, half of the sum is solved. Like sum of angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is given equal to 40 degree. So if this is 40, then this is also 40 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. So let's start this question. First we are given AB and CD intersect at O. Alright. And angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree is given. Always write the reason on the right hand side. Let's mark this equation number 1. BOD is given 40 degree. Let us mark this equation number 2. As angle AOC is equal to angle BOD equal to 40 degree, vertically opposite angles, as we have marked this earlier. So putting in this equation number 1, AOC is 40 plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. So from this we can find angle BOE, which is equal to 70 minus 40 equal to 30 degree. So this is equal to 30 degree. Then we have to find reflex angle of COE. As we know, the sum of angles on a line is equal to 180. That is angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180. So their sum 40 plus 30, 70. Then this will be 110 degree. So same we are putting here. AOC plus BOE are given 70. So we can find COE, which is equal to 110 degree. So reflex of angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110, that is 250 degree. So therefore we had to find this angle BOE, which is now 30 degree, and reflex angle of COE is equal to 250 degree. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, find C. So figure is given and angle POY is equal to 90 degree. So let's solve this. So given lines XY and MN intersect at O such that POY is equal to 90 degree. Also given is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Now as sum of angles on a line is equal to 180, putting these values in the equation, XOM is 3x, POM is 2x and POY is equal to 90 degree. 3 plus 2x is equal to 5x is equal to 180 minus 90. We get x equal to 18 degree. So XOM, that is B, equal to 3x, x is 18 degree, so 3 into 18, 54 degree. And POM is equal to A is equal to 2x, which is now 2 into 18 degree is equal to 36 degree. So B is 54 degree and A is 36 degree. Now XON C is equal to POM plus 90, that is A plus 90, because they are vertically opposite angles. which are equal to 36 plus 90, that is 126. This C can be solved by other method also, like B plus C, as we know, are making a linear pair, and B is given 54 degree, so we can find C is equal to 180 minus 54, 126 degree. So there are many ways to solve a sum. I hope you understood this. Therefore C is equal to 126 degree. In figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that PQS is equal to PRT. So in this we are given these angles equal, and we have to prove these angles are also equal. So again, can be solved in many ways, and one of the method is, we know angle PQR plus PQS is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Also PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180 degree, again linear pair. Now from 1 and 2, when right hand sides are equal, so are their left hand sides. As PQR is equal to PRQ, we can cancel them. Therefore PQS is equal to angle PRT. In figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. As we know, the angle in a circle is equal to 360 degree. So angle x plus y plus z plus w, their sum is equal to 360 degree. As we are given x plus y is equal to w plus z, so in place of w plus z we can write x plus y. By solving this, it will become 2x plus 2y equal to 360. 2 taken common, x plus y is equal to 360, and x plus y is equal to 360 by 2 is equal to 180 degree. And when sum of angles is equal to 180 degree, they form a line. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is the figure given. Let's solve this. Angle ROS, this we can write as angle ROP minus angle POS. Let's mark this as equation number 1. Also, this angle ROS can be written as angle QOS minus angle QOR. Let's mark this equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get ROS plus ROS equal to sum of these right hand sides, which is equal to 2 into angle ROS equal to QOS minus POS, because in this equation QOR and ROP both are 90 and they'll get cancelled. So dividing by 2, we get angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle EOS. It's given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. So this is the figure drawn where XYZ is equal to 64 degree and this ray bisects angle ZYP. So these angles are equal. So let's solve this. Angle XYZ 64 given. Okay. Now ZYP plus XYZ is equal to 180 degree, linear pair axiom. XYZ is given, so ZYP is equal to 116. Also we are given this YQ is bisecting ZYP and this whole ZYP is equal to 116. So their half will be 58 degree. So this is 58 degree and this is also 58 degree. Also XYQ. Now this XYQ, this is equal to this angle 58 plus 64, that is equal to 122 degree. Another thing we need to find reflex of QYP, as QYP is equal to 58 degree, so its reflex angle will be equal to 360 minus QYP, that is 360 minus 58 equal to 302 degree. Therefore what we required, XYQ, which is 122 degree, and reflex angle of QYP is equal to 302 degree.